So imagine that you have a basic website with a custom post type called team members, and on the front end you visualize the team members with some basic information, including links to their social media icons, or social media accounts rather. But what if a specific team member doesn't have a Facebook or doesn't have a Twitter or doesn't have any social media at all? So we're going to need some type of conditional visibility, right? To be able to show or hide the icons according to the information that is being filled out or isn't being filled out in the backend. So let me just quickly show you how it's set up here in the backend. So with advanced custom fields, I created a post type called team members, and we collect some basic information like a title, a bio, a function, and then links to Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. As you can see here, Instagram isn't filled out, but on the front end, the Instagram icon is still showing. So we need to fix this. So how we can do this? It's actually pretty easy because conditional visibility is baked into Divi. So I'm going to the theme builder and I'm going to the template of my team members page. So here we have the template, and here we have the 3 social media icons: Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So if I go to the settings, then we can see that the link is being linked to the Facebook custom field. For Twitter, it's being linked to the Twitter custom field. And for Instagram, it's being linked to the Instagram custom field. So that's correct. These icons will work, except the one for Instagram, because this field isn't filled out in the backend. So I'm going to add a conditional visibility for every icon. So with the settings of the icon, and this is an icon, but you can also do this, of course, for an image or text or the title or any type of Divi module. So you go to advanced and then you click on conditions. You're going to add a condition, and here you can choose for different types of visibility logic, but we are going with the custom field. So I actually always use the manual custom field name because these are pretty basic. I often don't find what I'm looking for, but we are just going to use the custom field name. So in this case, we'll need to know how our custom field is being called, and we can very easily find this in the advanced custom field settings. So going to advanced custom fields, we have the team members, and here we have the custom fields for the team members. So Facebook is team member Facebook, team member Twitter, and team member Instagram. So we're going to start with team member Facebook. We're going back to the theme builder. I'm going to open up the conditions. I'm going to add a custom field. I'm going to paste the name. And here we can say, when does this item show? Does it only show if it matches a specific value, or does it match if it doesn't contain a specific value, but mostly you're going to use is any value or has no value. So in this case, display only if team member Facebook is filled out, so it has any value. That's it. Then for Twitter, we are going to do the exactly same thing. So custom field, but in this case, Facebook has to be replaced, of course, with Twitter. We're going to choose is any value. And then last but not least for Instagram, that's not right. Is any value, check, check. Don't forget to save, close this. And also don't forget to save again. So now if we go to the team member page and we're going to the Tony Stark page, we don't want to see the Instagram icon because we haven't filled it out. So I'm going to the link. And as you can see, this is correct. So the Instagram icon is not being shown here. For example, let's say that we have filled out an Instagram, but not a Twitter. It's also correctly being reflected here. Of course, the margin isn't being set correctly here. So I would have to fix that. But that's how it works. That's how the conditional visibility in Divi works.